Hi everyone, welcome back to Financial Works, the channel where we show you how to make money online with simple and effective methods. In this video, we're going to talk about another easy and fun way to earn some extra cash on the internet: testing websites and apps. Testing websites and apps is basically giving your feedback on how they work, how they look, how easy they are to use, and what you like or dislike about them. You can sign up with platforms like User Testing, Userlytics, or TryMyUI and get paid to share your opinions on various websites and apps that you visit or use. You usually need a computer, a microphone, and a good internet connection. You can earn $10, $20 per test, which usually takes 15-20 minutes. But why do companies pay you to test their websites and apps? Well, because they want to improve their user experience, functionality, design, and overall quality. They want to know what real users think about their products and services, what problems they encounter, what suggestions they have, and how they can make them better. Your feedback is very valuable to them, and they are willing to pay you for it. But how do you get started with testing websites and apps? Well, it's very simple. Here are some steps to follow. Step number 1. Sign up with some testing platforms. There are many platforms that offer website and app testing opportunities, but here are some of the most popular and reputable ones. User Testing. This is one of the most well-known and widely used testing platforms out there. You can earn $10 for every 20-minute test you complete, or more for longer or more complex tests. You can also earn extra money by participating in live interviews or focus groups. You can get paid via PayPal within 7 days after completing a test. Userlytics. This is another great testing platform that pays you $10, $20 per test, depending on the length and complexity. You can also earn more by taking part in live conversations or special projects. You can get paid via PayPal within 15 days after completing a test. TryMyUI. This is another reliable testing platform that pays you $10 per test, which usually takes 15-20 minutes. You can also earn more by taking part in special studies or surveys. You can get paid via PayPal every Friday after completing a test. Step number 2. Complete your profile and take a qualification test. After signing up with some testing platforms, you need to complete your profile and provide some basic information about yourself, such as your age, gender, location, education, income, interests, etc. This will help the platforms match you with the most suitable tests for you. You also need to take a qualification test to prove that you have the necessary equipment and skills to perform the tests. The qualification test usually involves recording your screen and voice while visiting a website or using an app and answering some questions about it. Step number 3. Check your email regularly and accept test invitations as soon as possible. Once you pass the qualification test, you will start receiving invitations to take tests that match your profile. You will also see the available tests on the platform's dashboard or website. You need to check your email regularly and accept the test invitations as soon as possible, because they may fill up quickly or expire soon. You also need to make sure that you meet the requirements for each test, such as having a specific device or browser. Step number 4. Follow the instructions carefully and give honest and constructive feedback. When you accept a test invitation, you will see the instructions on what to do and what to say during the test. You need to follow them carefully and complete all the tasks and questions that are asked of you. You also need to give honest and constructive feedback on the website or app that you are testing. Don't be afraid to point out any problems or issues that you encounter, but also don't be rude or harsh. Be polite and professional, but also be yourself and speak naturally. Step number 5. Submit your test and wait for approval and payment. After completing the test, you need to submit it for review and approval by the platform or the client. This may take a few hours or days, depending on the platform or the client. Once your test is approved, you will receive your payment via PayPal or other methods that are offered by the platform. So, these are some of the steps that you need to follow to start making money online by testing websites and apps. It's a very easy and fun way to earn some extra cash on the internet while helping companies improve their products and services. You can also learn a lot from testing different websites and apps and discover new things that interest you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online. Also, leave a comment below and let us know what you think about testing websites and apps, or if you have any questions or suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.